In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of a missing toolbar in Google Sheets. It's a common problem that can be frustrating when you're trying to manage your data, so let's get that toolbar back and keep you moving efficiently. To begin, you'll need to open Google Sheets. You can do this by navigating to the Google Sheets website and selecting the document you want to work on. If you're already working on a sheet and notice the toolbar is missing, you're in the right place. Once you have your sheet open, let's take a look at our first method to bring back that elusive toolbar. You'll want to move your cursor to the top of your screen where the toolbar should be. Sometimes the toolbar can be hidden to give you a bit more screen space. Look for a small icon that resembles an arrow or three dots. This is the Hide menu icon. When you click on that icon, it should expand and reveal the toolbar. This option is great when you find yourself needing extra screen real estate, but can also be a surprise if you didn't know it was there in the first place. Now, if clicking the icon doesn't work, or if the icon isn't visible, there is another method you can try that involves a handy keyboard shortcut. By pressing the keys Ctrl, Shift, and F all at once on your keyboard, you can toggle the toolbar on and off. This shortcut is particularly useful for quickly managing the toolbar without having to drag your mouse around. If you've tried both of these methods and your toolbar still isn't appearing, you might want to double-check that you're not in full screen mode or experiencing a technical glitch. Make sure your browser is up to date, as sometimes an outdated browser can result in display issues on websites, including Google Sheets. It's also a good idea to try refreshing the page or restarting your browser entirely. These steps often resolve unforeseen issues that might cause visual elements, like the toolbar, to disappear. There you have it. A couple of straightforward methods to restore your toolbar in Google Sheets. Both are quick fixes, allowing you to return to your tasks unimpeded. Whether you find the icon or use the keyboard shortcut, getting your toolbar back should now be a breeze. I hope these tips help keep your workflow smooth and efficient. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more tutorials or reach out for support. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Happy spreadsheeting!